For this experiment, you're going to need some tissue paper, some scissors, and a balloon. Right now I have just folded up my tissue paper many times so that I could cut out these little snowflake shapes, and there's a lot of ways that you can do that. I'm not going to go into that in the video, but then I just put all the little snowflakes into a bowl here. You could just leave them on the table, they don't have to go in a bowl. I was just doing that to contain them. So I have a bowl of snowflakes, and then I have a balloon that I am rubbing on my hair so that the electrons get transferred to the balloon and give it a negative charge. And then when I hold it over the bowl of tissue paper snowflakes, they are attracted to the negative charge. The tissue has a positive charge, so they are attracted to the negatively charged balloon and will fly out of the bowl and attach to the balloon. So a little bit like a reverse snowstorm here, where the snowflakes are going up instead of down. And that's just a quick and easy experiment that you can try at home. Super fun, super easy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep discovering.